In this lesson, we will add an image instead of number. For this, I will use the website with 3 icons. Search our icons, dice 1, and then choose it. I will use these dices from 1 to 6. Download PNG, free download. In folder dices, I will save dice 1 PNG. Save, and we need to save 6 images from 1 to 6. But if you can create your own images, it will be better. After we download all pictures, return to Android Studio, open our layout editor in activity main.xml, and then delete our text view. Delete, then add an image view to the layout. Set temporary image. OK. Now we have 2 errors: our button missing constraints and our image view is missing constraints. Let's position our image view to center and to the top of constraint layout. Let's add the top of button to bottom of image view, and then let's connect our bottom of the image view to the bottom of the constraint layout. Perfect. Then let's add our pictures to our application. For this, click Resource Manager, then Plus, and then Import Drawables. Choose our 6 images from 1 to 6 and click Open. In this step you can change name of your pictures and then click Next and Import for finish. And our files were imported successfully, and we can find it in our project in Drawable folder. Then in activity main XML, choose our image, open attributes, and in source compat attribute, choose our dice. For example, it will be dice 5. OK, it's a very big picture for our application. Let's make it more little. In attributes, let's set fixed width and height. For example, 100 dp. Let's set 150 dp. That's OK. Let's make a margin between button and picture. Click button and find margin attribute. We need margin top for our button, and for example it will be 16 dp. OK. And now we set our picture when the button is clicked in our code. For this, find main activity, and we see error because we delete our text view. Let's comment this line and this line with text view. Then create new variable, val image view equal find view by ID resource point ID point image view. Let's check that it is our image view. Choose activity main, choose our image, and it is image view ID. That's OK. Return to main activity. We have error. Click Problems. Not enough information to type of variable. We have image view, then it will be type image view. Okay. After that we create our image view variable, we need to set image to this variable. Let's change name of our image because image view, image view, image view, it is not very good. For example, it will be dice image. It is more particular. Then set our dice image. What we can set? We can set image resource. And what is the resource? It is this resource. R resource point, then drawable, this folder, and then our dice. I will choose dice 4. Let's run our app. We haven't our image, but if we click roll, it will be dice roll image. That's good. But we want to change our picture from 1 to 6. And we will make it in the next lesson. See you soon.